the goat farm. We are looking at the goats being milked. Meanwhile, we are sharing with you the difference between goats and cows.
Some of us might think that goats usually have one kid, but that is not true. Twins and triplets are common in the goat world and they take 5 months to have them. Cows need 9 months and most of the time they have singles.
So cute, they all cute out orderly one. Go one and they don't come home.
Which do you think is better for you, goat or cow milk? Goat milk comes out on top for protein and cholesterol, but cow milk's fat content is ever so slightly lower. Goat milk has more calcium, potassium, and vitamin A than cow milk, but cow milk has more vitamin B12, selenium, and folic acid.
Saliva. Goat saliva. Goat saliva. Have you ever tried to take a bite out of an apple and give it to a goat? Most likely, the goat will find your saliva on it and spit it out. Cows, on the other hand, don't have discerning taste buds and dig right in.
Did you know that goat poop is fairly easy to clean up even before it dries? Cow poop is not sweepable under any condition. Their poop is slick, never dries completely and doesn't melt.
As a matter of fact, most goats have horns, which are made of keratin, the same materials that make fingernails, claws, hooves, and hair. The horns of the goat mainly perform two purposes. The first purpose, and the one that is perhaps not as well known, is to act as an air conditioning system during hot weather. The second function of the horn, which is maybe more familiar, is for a goat to protect itself. On the other hand, most dairy cows have horns and it is rare to see one with them.
On the floor, on the floor. Some more there.
is all we can share, and we hope you learned something out of it. Of course, there are still more that we did not share, so you can find it out by yourself. Thank you, everyone! Hey, I want to drink it. This is the original flavor and this is the chocolate. Which one do you want? I'll try this first. Later. Salt. Yeah. It tastes some kind of weird. I don't know how to explain. It's like tastes weird.